Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 10th chapter circles. Second exercise 10.2. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. So we know that concentric circles have the same center points. So two circles, if we are drawing with the same center point, that they are called concentric circles. Here the radius of the concentric circle, one is given as 3 cm, the other one is given as 5 cm. So these are the radius of the concentric circles. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle. So we are asked to find the length of the chord of the larger circle. Length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So we are asked to find the length of this chord. So that chord is for the bigger circle, but it touches the smaller circle. Okay, so we'll make the length of this chord as AB, and OA is the radius of the outer circle. Then PB the point of contact of that tangent. Okay, so now we'll write OP is equal to 3 cm, OA is equal to 5 cm, and AB is the chord. AB is the chord which touches the smaller circle, at P, So if we want to find the length of the chord AB, we will find the length of AP. We know that OP is the radius that is perpendicular to the chord. AB and OP are perpendicular to each other. OP perpendicular to AB, and the point of contact, that is this perpendicular line, also bisects the chord. That is AB is equal to 2 times of AP. Okay, all these things are the circle properties. So now since it is perpendicular, OP is perpendicular to AB, we can say that OPA is a right angle triangle. So in triangle OPA, OA is the hypotenuse side. So hypotenuse squared is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So OP squared plus PA squared. So we are asked to find the length of PA. So PA is equal to OA squared. PA squared is equal to OA squared minus OP squared. So that is 5 squared minus 3 squared. So that is 25 minus 9. PA squared is equal to 16 and PA is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is length of PA. That is one part. So already we know that AB is equal to 2 times of AP. So that is 2 into 4, that is equal to 8 centimeter. So the length of the chord AB is 8 centimeter. So we are asked to find the length of the chord. So the length of the chord is 8 centimeter. Okay.